Intro Buildy.ai claims it can turn your app idea into a full product, without writing code, hiring developers, or waiting weeks. We tested it. Section 1. What it does. Buildy.ai isn't just another website builder. It's a full-stack platform that lets you describe an app, and then actually builds it. Front-end, back-end, database, user login, even hosting U-type. It creates. Section 2. Who it's for. This platform is built for people who want to launch something fast, startups, solopreneurs, indie makers. No need for a dev team, no need to wire up 10 tools. Section 3. How it works. You give it a prompt. I need a client dashboard with sign-up, Stripe payments, and admin view. Buildy processes it, then delivers a working app with pages, buttons, routes, and logic in minutes. Want changes? Just tell it what you want next. It adjusts. Section 4. What we built with it. In our test, we launched a SaaS-style dashboard with user authentication, subscription billing, real-time analytics, live URL ready to share. Total time, under 40 minutes. No back-end setup, no deployment headaches. Section 5. Pros. Lightning-fast MVP creation. Intuitive natural language workflow. Great for testing ideas or building internal tools. Built-in hosting and auth saves hours. Section 6. Cons. Prompt misfires happen. UI polish isn't perfect. Advanced logic or edge cases need dev help. Not ideal for high-scale or ultra-custom projects. Section 7. What users are saying. Users on ProductHunt and Reddit are calling it game-changing for non-coders. Fastest way I've ever launched something real. Great for prototyping, but I'll still need a dev later. Section 8. Final verdict. Buildy.ai delivers on its promise, mostly. It won't replace engineering at scale, but for early validation, prototyping, or launching your first users, it's one of the fastest tools we've seen. For makers who want to move, not just plan, it's worth a serious look. Outro. Want to try it? Check out Buildy.ai and see how fast your next idea can go live.